It's boating season, so get ready for the water by giving your boat a deep cleaning. Dampness and shade create the perfect scenario for mold, mildew, and algae that can grow on your boat's hull, interior, and fabrics. Fortunately, Wet and Forget makes cleaning your boat easy. To cover a large area like your hull or deck, mix 1 part Wet and Forget concentrate with 5 parts water in a pump-up sprayer. Apply the mixture evenly over the surface and let it sit. No scrubbing needed. Or use the ready-to-use hose end for large boat applications. Wet and Forget works over time with the wind and rain to remove stains from mold, mildew, and algae. Just be sure to apply to your boat at least 100 feet from ponds, lakes, or rivers. And let Wet and Forget dry completely before putting the boat back in the water. To treat smaller areas, use Wet and Forget Ready to Use. It's the same bleach-free, non-acidic formula, but the smaller bottle and built-in sprayer are just right for small jobs and hard-to-reach areas. If you're cleaning the seats, rinse them with water the next day before use. While you're at it, kick spiders overboard with Miss Muffet's Revenge. Just spray a 12-inch band around the perimeter of your deck or cabin, and you're spider-free for up to 12 months. Before you hit the water this season, get your boat clean with Wet and Forget.